Hi guys, welcome to the Source Sounds video. Here we've got a really cool Mazda MX5, it's a BBS edition. So this vehicle is really nice already. It had got the Bose audio in there, which does affect what we do, but obviously we just use additional parts and whatnot. But we've done an audio upgrade, we've done a KENWOOD wireless CarPlay system, reverse camera and reverse parking sensors, as well as a subwoofer. I'll show you what we've done now. Okay, so that's the reverse camera up underneath there. You can see it fits lovely, works lovely. And again, really nice finish and fit lovely on there. Very factory looking. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. As you can see, this fascia fits lovely in the vehicle. It's this whole trim surround that we do. So obviously it's on CarPlay at the minute, and we retain the existing steering wheel controls. We've mounted the USB lead here so he can leave his phone out of the way, and we've upgraded the speakers in the doors there. So there's a woofer and a wideband actually, so that top speaker's a wideband speaker, quite unique to this. And then there's the DAB aerial, and there you can see the little microphone for the Bluetooth. Then behind the seat, which I know it's quite tricky, but behind the seat there is a subwoofer that we've mounted. And then we've also done on this vehicle a reverse camera. So if we pop it in reverse, then when you engage reverse pull, there we go. So then this is going to give us a perfect image of behind the vehicle. So for further information on upgrading your system to give you things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, obviously an upgraded audio, add a subwoofer to it, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.